Hello my lovely people, so my name is Balkisa Aliyu. If you are new here, if you have been part of the family, you're welcome back again. And today on this video I am going to be showing you how I do my once a week skincare, especially my face care. So I'm just gonna go change so we get into the video right away. Guys, so I am going to be showing you how I do my skincare right now, how I'm going to do my face, because I'm going to shower right now. So had it been I'm not gonna shower, because sometimes maybe going to bed I may not shower, because especially when it is winter I usually steam my face before I started exfoliating on it, and this is my steamer, my face steamer. But because now I'm going to shower, I am not going to steam my face because I'm going to have a lot of steam from the shower. So after the shower I'm gonna come back here and show you how I'm gonna do. I just wanted to show you how my face look like right now before I take the shower, how the skin looks. My skin is not perfect, I am still working on it. I'm still hoping for it to get to where I want it to be, to have the natural glow and everything. Let me get into shower, and today I'm going to be using this set of brushes to wash my face with you guys, because this set of brush are really good, are really great for the skin, like for exfoliating and everything. So I would just wanted to show you how I use this set of brushes, and I'm going to tell you where these brushes are from, and if you want to get some. And I also have a discount code for you to get one. So let me jump into shower and come back so we can do my face together. I just came out, so you can see my face is still wet. So let me just wear my robe and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is my little basket where I keep most of the things that are mostly important for me. I have more items here in the other basket, but those are just day-to-day stuff. These are just the stuff that I use right now. This is the body glow oil by Bix Cosmetics, and this is Cetaphil body and face lotion, and this is aloe vera facial cleansing gel by Mintis Cosmetics. She is a Nigerian medical doctor who is into skincare with so many licensing on dermatology and cosmetology. This is my sunscreen oil. These are my product from Ordinary. This is the cleanser, the moisturizer there. I love their moisturizer. Is almost out, and these are some of their product that I'm using: hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, retinol, and niacinamide. It's one of the best product from the Ordinary that I love so much. And this is their glycolic toning solution. This is a game changer for the skin. If you use this consistently for at least 4 or 5 days, you will notice a difference on your skin. And this is the coffee face masks by Body Shop. I love this face mask, guys. And this is a body scrub, also is a coffee scrub. This is also really nice for exfoliating because it has a lot of sugar in it. The Body Shop vitamin E and vitamin C. Oh my gosh, vitamin C was recommended by my friend Lily, and I got the vitamin E because I have one of their toning solution here. One of their toning solution here is almost out. I like this product. And then what else am I gonna show you? So this is just my spray water. It's retinol. Okay guys, so as you can see, my skin is dry for now, so this is when I use my retinol. Because let me turn on the fan. Don't start anything on your skin if your skin is dry, because you're going to break your skin and you don't want that. So treat your face, especially if your face, very gently. You can do this part, or you can just pour some water. As you can see now, my skin my pores may be opened, and I may have some fats coming out of my pores. So what I like doing is exfoliating first. So as you can see, this is the scrub. I'm telling you, it has so much sugar in it. And this one from Body Shop, I am going to start with this one, the sugar one. So you can actually make your own scrub at home if you so wish. If not, you can get a scrub. As much as you see it has so much sugar, it is still gentle on the skin. That's why I love it. For the whiteheads, the blackheads, and everything, this is gonna help you get rid of them. And it has some kind of, I think, oil and honey in it that keeps your skin hydrated even after you wash off. You can see my face still has the oil from it, and it feels so soft already. You can see, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go with my face mask now, because what happened is after you shower, you steam, your pores are open, right? And then I did the exfoliating right now with the sugar scrub, which open my pores some more. So what you want to do after opening, it's you can either cleanse or you can do max. So I like doing max after opening my pores, because now that my skin is open, I want to tighten it up back. Then when I tighten it up back, then I want to cleanse again. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to use my max right now, but it's a little bit dry because I bought the sample size. So let's just wait for this to dry up a little bit, and then you're gonna wash it, because I'm already feeling all the things that is happening in my face. Now I'm going to wait until it dry up. Okay, see you then. So yes guys, while we're waiting for my face to dry up, let's talk about this brush sets. So this is obviously the handle, the electrical handle, and this big one is for the body. If you want to take a shower with it and scrub your body, any area that you can't reach up, it is. So let's talk about this little one. Is for petty. You can petty your foot with it. And this is for facial exfoliating. It is still soft, like it's still soft, it's not harsh on the skin. And this is for facial cleansing. This is for facial cleansing. So I am going to be using both of them for you guys to see. Now I'm going to go with my smooth scrub. It's also called max, coffee max, but I consider it as a scrub because even though it's very, very smooth on the skin, it's more like a cleansing scrub. The exfoliating head. I just run water on it. You can see water is pouring out. Please, to get more blood circulation. So guys, even though this feel good, This mask feels so good. I still like finishing with cleanser, so I'm going to be putting the cleansing brush, which is the most smoother one, and I am gonna go with my gentle exfoliating cleanser by Cetaphil. So let's do this. Okay, let's do this. The massaging part is so gentle on the skin. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Oh, it's like I want to fall asleep while it does what it's doing on my skin.
Yeah, so guys, I'm going to confirm with the company about their shipping, if they ship everywhere, before I will put out the discount code on the description. So if you do see it, that means I confirm with them about their shipment, because my reputation is on the line. If you buy it, I need to make sure that it's coming to you. So watch out for the discount code if I do get a reply from them, and you can get it if you need to.
Let me bring the camera more closely for you guys to see. Okay guys, so you can see my face. Now it's time for the moisturizing. You can see how my skin looks right now after washing it. It feels so smooth. So this is my extreme cleansing and exfoliating days. So let me wear my mask now.
Yes guys, so let me know on the comment section if you want me to go through every single individual item that I use, or the most important items and their benefit to what they actually do to the skin. I will be able to share that if you so wish. So let me know on the comment section, please.
So guys, you see everything has dried up. So if only I didn't use face masks, this will be the time to do my cleansing. But because I did my face mask, I don't want to clean it up. I want to leave it on my skin. It's vitamin C. I want it to stay on my skin, so this is skipped. This is something I do once a day, every day. And sometimes when I feel like I've been doing it for like complete 4 to 5 days, I skip at least 2 days, because you don't want too much peeling off of your skin. So the next thing you're going to do now is do one of your oils first, because for moisturizing you go with the lightest to the thickest. So I usually like going with either one of these. Sometimes I rotate. This is lactic acid, and this is retinol. So for today I don't do this much. I usually do the retinol, and this is only for night routine, or you can do hyaluronic acid. I already ran out of this because this is what I use the most. I like hyaluronic acid. It's so good on the skin, so moisturizing. It gives the skin moisture and balance. I'm going to go with my retinol. It's a bit oily, so I don't like putting much. Okay, and the second step I usually do is my syrups. I have 2 syrups. I have niacinamide by Ordinary, and I have my vitamin C. Is the gold flakes. I'm almost out of this as well. I need to order because I like it so much. So for that reason, I'm going to do niacinamide. You see how thick it is? It is thicker than the oil I just did. So niacinamide is so good for the skin. It's just like you're adding primer You know how you add primer, you apply primer before makeup? This is what niacinamide does to your skin. It's like primer. So it gives you kind of glow. You just need to let it dry, because otherwise it's just gonna give you with some flakes. If your skin is not used to it, you will kind of feel some tingling, or if you didn't use it for some time, if you didn't use it for a long time, it will give you some tingling on your skin. So just be aware of that. The same thing with lactic acid and hyaluronic acid as well. It gives you kind of tingling, like, you know, something poke you or something like that. Yep. Okay guys, you can see my skin, you can see my face is glowing already, it's shiny already, and I love it. Yeah, the most skincare is for you to be happy and accept who you are, accept your skin and love yourself. The last step is my moisturizer, because this is the night routine. I am not doing this. I don't do sunscreen at night. So only sunscreen goes for day or morning routine. So let's go with our moisturizer. I love Cetaphil Moisturizer. Add a little bit. My skin is already on me. Okay guys, I am done, and this is it. What do you think, guys? I like it. I love everything. My hand, actually, I can still feel the tingling of the niacinamide, even though I've been using it, but maybe because I scrub and I exfoliated my skin so much, so I'm definitely have some pores that I still open, that is giving me that sensation. It's giving me kind of tingling on my cheeks area right here. You know, that is where you usually have like the white heads, and when they are out, the pores are still open. So I think it got inside, so I'm kind of feeling like a burning sensation and tingling, which is okay. It's very normal. If you all watch videos on reviews about the ordinary product, you will hear stuff like that. And yes, this is the last step to moisturize your lips. Let me bring you guys closer to see what we did. This is what my face is looking. I know you are in my space. You are seeing too much of my imperfection. So if you have any suggestion about pigmentations and black spot, let me know. But it has to be something that is natural and certified and does not include any bleaching agents. Yes, I'm proud of my black skin. I love my melanin.